Hey folks, Paul Meeks here for Worthington Products, and where am I? Well, I'm in the Worthington studios, and what are we doing? We're talking about sign floats. So specifically, we're talking about our Boatbuster sign float, and this is what you see in front of you. Boatbuster sign float is a system of floats mounted on our Boatbuster barrier float. Why do we use Boatbuster? Well, because each one of these half shells that you see here provides up to 800 pounds of buoyancy. That means we have 1,600 pounds of positive buoyancy on this one float. So where would you use these? What would you use them for? Well, we normally use these in lakes, reservoirs, and inlets. This is not a design that we would put on a high flow river, but trust us, we have high flow designs as well that are based on another float system. So what's nice about this? Well, these are great to provide additional signage upstream of a boom line or in place of a boom line. We might use these where we want debris to flow through. We don't want to capture debris, so we don't want a solid boom line. These are high quality sign floats, a marine grade aluminum sign. This one is not made with retroreflective sheeting, but we also have retroreflective signage on there. We can put any graphics on these that you want. The framing on these units, they're framed using galvanized steel, or as we're showing here, powder coated steel. It's up to you. We can anchor these things individually, or we can put them in line, and when we put them in line, what we'll do is we'll run cable along them, and in this case you'll see on the back sides of these we have these rings that are attached, and we'll wire rope clip high visibility cable or nylon rope onto these so that they can form a continuous line across a reservoir. Finally, one of the things we can put on these are marine lights. Now I just have a small marine light sitting here, but we can use 1 to 5 nautical mile marine lights, and if you are worried about the birds using these to nest, we also have the option of putting bird spikes on it. So for all of your waterway barrier needs and signage needs and floating signage needs, folks, there's only one place to call, and that's Worthington Products. We have been doing this for 25 years in 65 countries. On your next project, please give us a call. We look forward to offering you quality waterway barrier solutions. Thank you so much.